In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create variation listings on eBay, step by step. Whether you're selling similar items that differ only by size, color, or another attribute, variation listings are an efficient way to manage your eBay inventory. Let's dive into how to set these up. First, you'll need to sign in to your eBay account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Sell section and click on Create Listing or List an Item. This is where you'll begin setting up your variation listing. Next, you'll need to choose the category in which your items fit best and enter some basic details. Start by entering a clear title for your listing. Next, select the most accurate category for your item. Once that's done, fill in the main item specifics like the brand, model, and condition of your product. This information helps potential buyers know exactly what you're offering. For variation listings, choosing the right listing format is crucial. You'll want to select fixed price or buy it now formats, as these are the best fit for listings that offer multiple options. Auction formats typically are not suited for items with multiple variations. Now let's find and click on Create Variations in the listing form. You should see a section labeled as such. Click on it to start building the different options for your listing. Here, you'll choose a variation theme and add options based on those themes. Attributes could include things like color and size. For each attribute, enter the option values such as color, red, blue, or size S, M, L. eBay will automatically generate a combination matrix with these options. Next, you need to set prices, quantities, and SKUs for each variant. For each option combination that eBay generates, you can set a specific price and stock quantity. Additionally, it's a good idea to add a SKU or a custom identifier for easier inventory management. You can choose to apply the same price and quantity to all variants first and then make adjustments for individual items as needed. Adding photos is a crucial step. Upload general images of the items as well as specific photos for each variant if possible. It's recommended to have individual pictures for every variation to give buyers a clear view of what they're purchasing. Don't forget to assign the correct image to each variant. Once your images are set, you'll want to complete any remaining listing sections. Add item specifics, a description, as well as shipping, payment, and return policies. Remember, the shipping and return policies apply to the entire listing, not to individual variations. Before hitting that publish button, take a moment to preview how your listing will appear to potential buyers. Check that all variant combinations, images, prices, and stock levels are accurate, and then click List Item to go live. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to creating variation listings on eBay. This method helps streamline your inventory management and offers an